try and take away as much paint as possible here, or oil, and paint too. It'll be mixing with everything. I'm gonna get me a filbert brush. So here's my filbert, and it's pretty worn out. I'm gonna go straight into the titanium white right here and load it nice on all sides, and I'm gonna start right here on my light source. It's gonna go like that. Okay, and then reload. Okay, so what's gonna happen here is when I pull it out, it's gonna be picking up the paint underneath. So this is like my anchor of my paint. Let's see what happens. So let's do one this way. You see the paint that's picked up, turn it over. Let's do another with the other way. Good. Wipe it off as much as you can. So try to fully wipe it off. Straight into the white. Oh, there we go. Same thing again. Anchor, and then just one pull. It's picking up a whole bunch of, and then turn it over. There we go. It's picking up lots of color. That's why it's important to have these layers nice and tinted, like a pigment tint, right? You don't want too much color on there, or oil. Anchor again. One this way. And then another one this way. I'm just gonna fix this a little bit. So wipe the brush off. Go. Just kinda move the source out. Like that. Good. If you're interested in the next step of this painting, here it is. Let's keep painting.